This is Esther.
It is Esther. This is Alfred.
Of You, Me, and Sicily. And on this episode, we're going to go to Carnevale in Acireale, one of the most fun and biggest festivals in all of Italy.
It's certainly the biggest on the East Coast around the Etna area. There's also another beautiful one out in Sciacca, too, Esther. There are two awesome Carnivales in Sicily this time of the year.
You know, Acireale is one of several Acis. This whole area was first conquered by the Greeks thousands of years ago.
There's a lot of Acis. You know what they were called, Esther, after they were conquered?
What?
The fallen Acis.
Ha ha! Enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao! Carnevale was first celebrated in Venice in 1094, and since then it has exploded into a month-long series of colorful, jubilant, and fun-filled celebrations across Italy. Gaily colored and decorated masks, creative costumes, enormous floats, and of course street foods make it a festive party. Traditionally, Carnevale is the last celebration before Lent, the period when Catholics typically deprive themselves or give up something they enjoy. Carnevale in Italy has evolved, and today young and old of all backgrounds celebrate in this period, ending on Fat Tuesday or Mardi Gras, the day before Ash Wednesday. Acireale's first Carnevale dates back to 1594 and is one of the oldest in Sicily. During the month of February, there are spontaneous parties across the island, even some smaller ones for children. Around the 1880s, the Casariata or landaus was introduced to the parade, distinguished horse-led carriages from which nobles threw candy and confetti at spectators. Over time, the carriages were replaced with floats built by local artisans made of paper mache. The themes for the floats in Acireale range from political and social issues to those dealing with love for Sicily and Sicilian people. On Fat Tuesday before Ash Wednesday, the floats are paraded in front of thousands that come from all over the world, stopping in front of the Duomo in Acireale before they are judged by local artisans, engineers, photographers, and others. Now a little about Acireale. The city in the province of Catania has one of the most prestigious collections of Baroque architecture in Italy. Like the rest of Sicily, its history dates back thousands of years and has seen several conquerors. The town was built on a plateau on a lava terrace called the Timpa, overlooking the Ionian Sea on the south side of Mount Etna. After the devastating 1693 earthquake that shook most of eastern Sicily, the town was rebuilt with many of the structures you can see today. Besides breathtaking Sicilian Baroque architecture, lots of neo-Gothic figures as well. Acireale is one of the 7 Acis. The other Acis in the area are Aci Castello, Aci Trezza, Aci Catena, Aci San Antonio, Aci San Filippo, and Aci Bonaccorsi. Acireale is also home to the largest granita festival in Europe, attracting competitors vying for the Best Granita Award from all over the world. The event takes place in early June and over the years has grown immensely. Check it out on one of our past episodes. The float winning the first prize for one of the categories is called Hope is the Last to Die. There was also a float criticizing GMOs, others depicted problems with the sea and soil pollution, and yet another criticizing the disinterest of the institutions and the difficulties of the Italian people. Carnevale in Acireale, a great way to celebrate tradition, expressive art, fantastic architecture, and life. Alfred, I had so much fun dancing, the floats, we had our friends here. We got to do this again next year.
I tell you what, the folks in this area really get stoked up for this Carnivale around here. Definitely is a can't miss. If you're in Sicily next year, You got to come and see this particular event.
And if you've enjoyed this episode, check out all of our episodes at www.youmeandsicily.com. We're also on Facebook.
You, me, and Sicily.
Check us out. See you next time. Ciao.